Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking assist, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 1-866-470-0171.
For value.